This is the one golf towel clip you should get. What's happening, Panda Nation? Peter Von Panda here. If you have a golf towel, and you should, because you should be cleaning off your balls, your clubs, and your balls, then you should always have your towel at the ready. And it's not just a towel that you should put on your bag, you should have it with you everywhere. But yet, when we put our golf towels on the bag, but usually when our golf towels are on our bag, they don't come with us. Until now. So let's take a close look at this Handy Picks towel magnet, because it looks like it's pretty awesome, and it's the easiest way to get your handy. So if we open this up here, you can see in this little box, we actually get a towel, kind of one of these little waffle pattern towels, which I really love because they're not super heavy and plush. They don't take up a lot of space, but they do a really good job of cleaning, and so much so that I only bathe myself now with golf towels. We have a grommet up at the top here, pretty standard size, and I really like the color too. It's blue. And then here is the magnetic golf towel clip, and this is what I am really excited about because I think it looks good and is actually super useful. So, ooh, so pretty. And the first thing you'll notice here is this little carabiner, not meant for climbing, so don't climb up it. A very light alloy right here. It says Handy Picks right there. So we also get another one here, which is kind of cool because you really do need both of these in some cases. And we also get two, looks like about 1/2-inch key rings right there. And then here is the piece that is super important and looks like a golf ball. Now, what I will say is this actually is smaller in real life than I was thinking. In the pictures, it looks like it's actually pretty big. Here is a standard size golf ball, so it's actually much smaller. It's kind of like a large marble. So it's got some weight on it, and you can see the little dimples. It looks like a golf ball with 2 posts on it. And what you want to do here is run these little key rings through the top and the bottom. So I'm going to do that. And now you want to take your carabiners here and clip them on to the top and bottom, just like that. That's pretty simple. And I'm going to put the towel on one end of these carabiners. I don't think there's an up or down, so you don't have to worry about that. This is actually only about 6 inches long here, so even though it looks like a lot of pieces, it's not super bulky or anything. But what I want to show you here is that if I pull on these two, oh man, that's a strong magnet, but those come apart. So what I can do here is I can clip this to my golf bag, and when I want my towel, I just pull it off and take it with me, right? And then when I bring it back to my golf bag, boom, goes up there just like that. And this is not going to fall off. I mean, look at me. That is me pulling on it hard to get it off. You really got to give it the steroid jerk. It's a lock. I hit the 7 like John Daly hits the 3. So clips on just like that, which is really awesome. However, that's not the last piece of it. If I open this up, because there are magnets on both sides, and if I clean off my putter or my wedge and I drop the towel down on the green like this, I can take my wedge and just pick this bad boy up just like this. So I don't even have to bend over. This is truly a lazy man's delight. And this guy is really lazy. So I can just pick up the towel, bring it up to me just like that, remove it, put it on my bag just like that. So it's really super cool. Of course, your club has to be made of ferrous or magnetic materials. So if you are playing with those little tiny 1 foot long kids plastic clubs, those aren't going to work. But for the rest of us using manly metal clubs, boom, it sticks on just like this. And I can pick this up, move it around, and the thing won't come off until I pull it off just like this. So I can clip this back onto the bag and roll with it. And I just love the idea that obviously it has a nice little golf theme there, but it's super convenient for me to take off, put on, have with me whenever I need it, and keeps me from throwing out my back, bending over to pick it up. So if you want to pick up this golf towel holder, I'll put a link to it in the description below. Peter Von Panda, out.
We can discover more and explore so much deeper.